This is the Agribusiness-Led Inclusive Value Chain Development Project, or simply called IVC Philippines. With the results from the validation conducted in October 2023, the training program on organizational strengthening for the Nuling Coffee Growers Association, or NCGA, and Coffee Farmers Association of Hinalaan, or COFA, was developed. It was found out that the board of directors, officers, and members of both associations have yet to have a clear understanding on the direction, vision, and priorities of the association. This means both NCGA and COFA acknowledged the need for a set of training that would capacitate them with the appropriate organizational skills to better manage their associations. This organizational strengthening training program is composed of 7 modules, starting off with vision and direction setting, inclusive leadership, financial management, resource generation and stakeholder engagement, production and operations management, and marketing. The final module, last March 2025, aims to expose the farmers to the various success stories and best practices of similar producer organizations in Davao City, ultimately helping them to appreciate the various coffee market outlets in the region.
We asked them to fill out a survey assessing their entrepreneurial competencies. So what came out from that survey is that for NCGA, their #1 need is information seeking. They want COFA to be known as the first association in Calamansig that is adapting the good agricultural practices or adapting peak rent in their harvesting.
Hinihikayat natin sila na unahin muna natin yung usapin ng pagpapalakas ng pamunuan, pagpapalakas ng kasapian, no? Kasi pagdating nyo doon, hindi pwedeng weak yung leadership at membership kasi babagsak ng babagsak ang mga gusto ninyong i-accomplish. Na-appreciate naman yun at programmatic naman yung ating module in terms of how do we assist them.
Officially ma-declare sila, that could be a big opportunity for them. Okay, usay sila, maka-move forward yun sila. Kasi that can be very good avenue, a vehicle for them to take advantage of.
They really have to establish financial records. With government agencies, they need to have project proposals. And with consolidators, they have to do all this technical stuff, meet the minimum requirement of the consolidators in terms of capacity, in terms of quality of their coffee.
I also introduced to them the concept of collaborative marketing. Hindi sila masyadong familiar, parang eye-opener din for them yung iba na pwede pala silang mag-collectively market.
Kada session, mas naging open sila with sharing to us. We're part of the community, parang gano'n. Since hindi na sila matakot mag-share, mag-dismiss sila.
This is quite new to them, this kind of training. Na natanong sila na ano ba ang opinion mo, ano ba ang sagot mo, because they were used to just sitting down and then writing all the time. But eventually, they warmed up to that.
Yung daw yung aspiration nila na mag-grow yung organization. They just need to develop their confidence in doing activities that will elevate the organization's position.
Nalipay ko nga ang team na ningkamot jud nga miskan wala mi dinha karon sa inyong lugar pero nakakangita og pamaagi nga maibalik namo sa inyo kung sa to nga mga impormasyon nga among nakalap nakuha and hopefully magamit ninyo no sa inyong organisasyon kung sunod nga mag-meeting namo para lambo ang ato ang organisasyon no mahimong mas functional, mahimong mas epektibo.
Ang nakuha ko dito nga is statutory functions sa financial management, which is marketing, operation, and finance. At ako gid ang naitagdag subong sa among pag-training subong hapon.
Excited yun rin, kaya siyempre ang training, bago siya nga learnings para sa mga dogang mga kakibalo po. Daghan na yun minakibalaan sa tungkol sa training.
Excited na may katong among naibaluan, amo na jud sa put into action. So sa pagmanis namo dali na siya tungod kay daghan namin nalis na kuha from module 1 to module 6.
Para sa IBC, salamat sa inyo ang suporta sa tabang paabot ninyo sa mga farmer nadasig mi nga magtuon, kumbaga among kape dili lang nga magpermanente mi nga mag-uuma na lang mi. Itun-an mi ninyo paano maging negosyante pod sa kape.
Makilala din ang among association nga kami ang mag-produce o maayo nga quality sa kape o quantity. Ang quantity naa naman sa mga, ang quality na lang dyan ang kuanan nga makuha dyan na mo siya, sir.
Isa kahagit sa ako ang maging responsible pa i-apply na mo tanan nga natun-an na mo sa IBC. Salamat yun kayo kay kanang mga knowledge dili na mo siya makuha sa palibot lamang kung wala nag-abot ang IBC sa amuang.
Padayon untan tabang niya sa amuang IBC Philippines kay pilog-pilog yung nagrasya ang among nadawat lalo na kining among unol ka modules nga natun-an nga dili lang sayon o dili lang gaan.
Sa pag-start ng Module 1 hanggang sa Module 6, willing po talaga kami na matulungan kami ng IBC at ng UP Mindanao para sa dugang kaalaman po sa pag-uuma ng kape, lalong-lalo na po sa mga estratehiya, sa mga leadership, financial, marketing. Kaya ang masasabi ko sa kanila, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo, magtulungan, walang iwanan hanggang sa makamit natin ang tagumpay ng NCGA.
With this agribusiness-led inclusive value chain analysis of smallholder coffee farmers in Sultan Kudarat, both associations, along with IVC Philippines, remain optimistic that the strengthened organization will help them achieve not just a better yield and improved productivity, but also an empowered community.